Ever pondered the secret to achieving success in all aspects of life? Welcome to the Highway Collection, an electrifying series of fact and fiction MP3 masterpieces designed to unlock your limitless potential for personal growth. The Highway Collection is not merely a series of MP3s, it's your tactical roadmap to success. These step-by-step guides are easy to understand and even easier to implement. Imagine transitioning from where you are now to where you've always wanted to be, leaving the realm of uncertainty behind, stepping into a world brimming with possibility. Our acclaimed collection offers a variety of MP3s, each with a duration of 30 to 45 minutes, designed to revolutionize key aspects of your life. There's The Rules of Money, where you learn how to build, protect, and differentiate your wealth. Or 9 Miracles in 9 Years, a series that unravels the secret to not just surviving, but thriving through life's relentless tests. Our collection also includes How to Build Your Family, a masterclass in creating lasting, meaningful connections, and How to Build Awesome Relationships, where you discover the power of focusing on a single strategic relationship. Equip yourself with Develop the Mind of a Champion, a toolkit to triumph no matter what curveballs life throws at you. Experience How to Achieve Happiness, Peace of Mind, and Contentment of the Heart, a guide to true wealth that lies in the contentment of your heart and mind. And let's not forget The Friday of Good Realizations, a beautiful epistle sharing the story of our reinvention as we reach the age of mental maturity. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to Mosina Saluji, a banker from South Africa. She says, "My regret is that I didn't get this earlier. Apart from still benefiting from the easy to understand and easy to grasp solutions, I am in awe of the emphasis placed on values, ethics, and principles. I am truly inspired by these masterpieces. This book made me realize that I am more than what I thought I was. Mediocre is no longer a word in my vocabulary, truly inspiring." The Highway Collection isn't just about knowledge, it's about transformation. So, why wait? Embrace the journey and start your transformation today with the Highway Collection. Your passport to personal growth and success is just a click away.